Buongiorno, welcome to Sorrento. Join us on a day of sightseeing in Sorrento, which is along the Amalfi coast. Sorrento is wedged on a ledge between the mountains and the Mediterranean. It is a beautiful resort of 20,000 residents, and in the summer there are additionally just as many tourists. It's perfectly situated for regional sightseeing, and it is a pleasant place to stay and stroll. Beginning in the picturesque hillside village of Positano, we'll embark on a scenic coastal cruise towards stunning Amalfi, admiring the dramatic beauty, craggy Mediterranean landscape, and charming cliffside towns scattered along the way. The town of Positano hangs halfway between Sorrento and Amalfi town on the most spectacular stretch of the coast. The Amalfi coast offers one of the world's most spectacular bus rides. The coastal trip, starting from Sorrento, is jaw-dropping, and you'll need to keep that camera handy. You'll be snapping photos all along the way. And upon returning to your home base of Sorrento, join your adventure leader for a guided walking tour of this historic hill town, exploring Sorrento's winding streets and centuries-old sites. In the evening, get a taste of local agriturismo, a farm offering fresh, locally grown and produced food. A farewell dinner prepared at the agriturismo from the bounty of the region is the perfect way to conclude a delicioso visit to beautiful Italy.